there's one thing that keeps a lot of Amazon sellers and probably you broke, right? This is what I'm going to detail in today's video. Is it bad suppliers? Is it bad products? It's not. It's how you actually deal with those products. And a lot of Amazon gurus lie to you, and this is what causes you to still stagnate with your Amazon business. So as you can see, today I'm in Miami Beach, right? And one of the reasons why I wanted to scale my business is because I wanted fast cars, right? I wanted the fast cars, I wanted the cool apartment on Miami Beach, right? Literally this. And of course, to get all this, I needed money, right? So I followed the advice that a lot of gurus were actually giving you, right? Everybody, which is that if you actually want to scale your Amazon business, you need to buy deep, you need to go deep. And this is why you have so many gurus actually preying on you on YouTube on how to go with wholesale because it's easier to buy deeper, all that stuff. They do not tell you why online arbitrage actually has a big advantage on all these business models, right? But I did the same mistake as you probably did, or the same mistake that you are about to make, which is listening to these advice and actually going deep, super deep in inventory. And I did that mistake and it cost me $7,000. And I'm going to tell you all about it in the live class that we have Thursday and what you should do instead. So in the description of this video, you have a link to register. Whoa, I just hit the camera. To register for the live class that we're having this Thursday at 8 p.m. where I'm going to show you how me and my students scale our Amazon business. Alright, so join. It's Thursday, it's 100% free. Sign up with the link in the description. I'll see you inside.